Your AI agent made a bad call a few hours ago, and you want to know what data it was looking at when it decided. Or your fraud model signed off on a transaction that turned out to be fraud, and you need to reconstruct exactly what state it saw at the moment it ran. Most of the time, you can't. The data has changed since then. Traditionally, the answer is to dig through audit logs, or restore a backup from a point in time and run your query against it. Or write change tracking columns into every table and hope you remembered to populate them. All of this is super awkward, slow, and easy to get wrong. Tacnode solves this with something called time travel queries. You write a normal SQL query, but with one extra clause that says as of a previous timestamp. The database returns the state of the table at that moment, including rows that have since been updated or even deleted. Under the hood, the database keeps previous versions of rows for a configurable retention window. When you query as of a past timestamp, the engine reconstructs the historical view from those versioned rows. No backup restore, no log parsing, no special tracking columns. Same SQL surface you already use, with one operator that says, show me this table as it was at this specific moment in time. So a few things this makes possible. Debugging AI agents. Replay exactly what context an agent saw when it made a decision, even if the underlying data has moved on since. Auditing automated decisions. Prove what state a fraud check or a credit approval evaluated at the moment it ran. Reproducing bugs. Query an earlier state to see what your system was working with when it hit the error. All in standard SQL against a live system. No restore window, no parallel investigation infrastructure. So there you have it. That's time travel queries in Tacnode. Data does not have to overwrite history. A single SQL clause and you can read your tables at any moment in your retention window. If you want to learn more, head over to tacnode.io, and thanks for watching.